Hello. Some of our users say that it takes more than 10 minutes before they receive their Smartlobby host notifications. This video is to demonstrate that Smartlobby sends notifications instantly, whether it's text, email, Slack, MS Teams, etc. We have Olivia, who is a staff member with a Microsoft Outlook account. We are going to perform this test using Olivia as the host. Let's sign in with Emma. Emma has come to visit Olivia. Before we submit this, let's check the mailbox and make sure there is no new email there. Let's press done and see how long it will take before the email is received by Olivia. Bingo! The notification is received immediately in a matter of milliseconds. So, Smartlobby sends notifications immediately. The reasons why you may see delays is because of your Outlook desktop client settings. You will want to change your Outlook settings to allow it to fetch emails every minute or more frequently. Below are links about how to make Microsoft Outlook fetch emails more frequently. Thanks for watching.